Plum Investment is built for anyone who wants to dip their toes into investing, whether it's for future goals or just to make their money work a bit harder. With Plum, it really is possible to get started with just £1. That lowers the barrier for beginners who often feel like investing is only for people with deep pockets. It's super user-friendly with a clean interface and clear, jargon-free explanations, making it a good fit for those who have never invested before. But with tools that even seasoned investors can appreciate, Plum covers a lot of ground. Users can buy into more than 3,000 stocks, including global tech names and emerging companies, as well as 26 different mutual funds managed by market experts. So for those looking to diversify instead of betting everything on a single company, Plum makes spreading out risk easy. What stands out is the commission-free trading. That means no hidden charges eating into potential gains, though it's important to know that a 0.45% currency conversion fee applies on each stock transaction, and there are some small regulatory fees set by US market regulators, which are truthfully minimal, but something that users should be aware of before trading. The platform structure is straightforward. On the free plan, users can invest in stocks, but access to mutual funds and more advanced features like automated investment splits, more savings pockets, and better investment monitoring require a subscription. Plum Pro comes in at £2.99 a month, while Premium is pricier at £9.99, though both unlock more flexibility and benefits like more automated saving options, more pockets and goals, and in the premium tier, a slightly lower investment management fee and higher variable interest rates on money market funds. What addresses a big pain point is how simple Plum makes automating investments and savings. It lets users set up recurring buys, split deposits between savings and investments, and even set smart price alerts so there's less temptation to tinker or try to time the market. Everything is monitored and managed within one app, so there's no need to juggle accounts or manually move money between savings and investments. And for anyone worried about security, Plum invests your funds via FCA-authorized providers and segregated custodians with FSCS protection up to £85,000 on eligible funds. The app also offers an ISA option, letting users invest up to £20,000 per tax year totally free from UK tax, which seasoned savers will know is a really solid feature for growing wealth over time. It's not without trade-offs. Accessing the best tools and all mutual funds requires a monthly subscription. Some might not love the extra platform and fund management fees layered on top of the subscription. And while commission-free stock trading looks appealing, keep in mind that even tiny currency and regulatory fees can add up for frequent traders. Because this is real investing, there's always a risk that investments can go down, potentially returning less than was put in. Plum Investment is all about giving people a practical, stress-free way into managing and growing their money, making good use of automation, solid security, and enough flexibility to suit most needs. But the risks are real. Returns aren't guaranteed, fees can erode gains, and it's important to keep an eye on performance rather than set and forget. For anyone ready to take a thoughtful but accessible approach to investing, Plum is a great starting point, so long as the risks and recurring costs are kept in mind.